Hey guys, good morning. Right now I am headed to school to meet with my classmates about our president campaign that we were doing. I wish I would have wore jeans and a beanie and a thicker coat. I just got out of the meeting with my classmates and right now I am headed home. For lunch, I am going to have a cheeseburger pizza. So it should be delicious. And I had seen the other day some roses that my father had clipped off of the plants in the back. And I must say, they do look beautiful. I don't know if you guys have seen the recent Beavis and Butthead episodes, but they are freaking hilarious. It's pretty weird to watch Beavis and Butthead now. Since when I was younger, I had to watch Beavis and Butthead on TV. Now me and my little brother, we are going to go to Walmart to get some food and other things. Out of that, we are gonna get some cookies. Which one do you think we should get?
You want to try those?
Which ones? The fudge cream.
I don't understand how those are only $2.98 and those ones that we see.
What, these right here? So we had just got done in Walmart. As you probably already can tell, it is very cold out here. Just got some things that were needed. And if there is anything that you guys want to ask me or talk to me about, just feel free to leave it in the comments because I read every comment and I reply. We had made it back home and these, see if I can find them in here. These Oreo Fudge Cremes, these cookies are delicious. They come in this little tiny tray. It's like they just used one piece of the cookie and then put some of the cream and then fudge, but still good though. Got all the groceries put away. Just getting ready to watch this show called Entourage. I believe that's what it was called. It's on HBO. I just found out about it a couple of weeks ago. It seemed pretty interesting because I'm not really much of a TV person at all. Just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night.